Hey, what's up guys? This is Yang. Now I'm going to teach you how to reduce the topology count of your 3D model. So you select your object, go into edit mode, and then edge selection. You select one of the edge, and then you look for edge ring. Press F3 to search for the things that you want. Edge rings. And then you search for collapse edges and faces. See? It has reduced the topology count. So once again, so it shows that the recently used. I just click this, then again, collapse edges and faces, like that. And alternatively, I can also use Control Alternate and then left click to select the edge ring. It is the same thing. And then X, C, collapse edges and faces. So the shortcut for this is C. You see the line on below the C, it means that C is the shortcut. So Control Alternate, X, C. Control Alternate, left click, X, C. Control Alternate, left click, X, C. Like that. Same goes for this. You see? Alternatively, you can also add a decimate modifier and then use subdivide. Or you can also use collapse, depending on what you are trying to achieve. And then just apply changes. And the shortcut for this is Control A. It means that you can hover your mouse over here and then you press Control A. Ta-da! So thank you guys for watching my video. If you guys like my video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And see you guys. Have a nice day.